Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have a, of course, an unboxing. But before I unbox this here box, I need for y'all to click on my subscribe button. Yep, it's down below. Well, not down below, but right here. I need for y'all to click on it because it helps out my channel. With that being said, you all, we're going to jump straight into this here unboxing. I just want to show y'all my arm candy. I'm telling y'all, style, what is it called? The style collection. Yeah, like look at that arm candy. So if you want to check out these here bracelets, click on, it's on my community tab. Click on that picture with me when I show bracelets. Click on that link down below and it'll take you straight to their website. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video. This here is part 2 of my Christmas gift. Like I said, my mom did give me some money, and with her money I did use it to purchase, of course, another bag. Here is the box. I have my handy dandy box cutter. I done used this thing so many times, y'all. If you receive packages, you need a box cutter. Like I'm telling you, you need a box cutter. And by the way, I did film this look here on this channel. It's the new Fenty powder foundation. So what y'all think? And then I also hauled this here lip combo. I got it from Morphe. It's the berry lip kit. It was on sale for $10, y'all. I'm not really a berry type of color, but for $10 you get the lipstick, lip pencil, and lip gloss. So I was like, why not? Why not? Y'all already know how I feel about my hair bags. Hey, y'all know what I got, what I got, what I got. Let me show what's in the inside. So here is the returning label. Of course, it has my information, and then we also have a thank you card. States that I can receive 15% off. So hopefully I can use this to purchase something else. Yeah, because sometimes them 15% offs, you can't use it on everything. So I know y'all already done saw. I told y'all I was in the market to purchase 2 more bags, and this here is the Marc Jacob Tote. I was getting ready to say Teddy Tote. I did get the color yellow for summertime. I'm getting ready because you know here in Georgia summer starts a lot earlier than normal. And I do have some sad news to report. I did have to return my Teddy Tote, but I will do a full-on video sharing why. So make sure you click on my subscribe button because I have a habit of talking about stuff that don't pertain to the video. But this here is just the unboxing of this bag. But like I said, just make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on why I had to return that Teddy Tote. So here is the bag. I did get the color, it says cream. I thought it was yellow. Now I'm not sure if the colors vary depending on which website you get it off of, but I thought it was yellow. But I will double check that for you all, and of course I will leave a link down below for this particular color. Get this off the Marc Jacob website. Like I said, I got it off of the Bloomingdale's website because I think I was able to use a 15% off coupon, and then you all, I got a $25 rewards. So that's why, this is why I like shopping off of Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom's, because now with that $25, if I decide to purchase the mini, I have $25 to go towards that because the mini is $150. So with the $25 off, and hopefully I can use the 15% off to add towards the mini. But as of right now, Bloomingdale's do not have the mini in the colors that I want. I think they have the leopard in the mini, but like I said before, I don't want to get a leopard in the mini. I want the black or the blue, but most likely the black. Is the bag. Not too bright because it looks like it's bright. Okay, come on, color, focus in. So yeah, you all, like, and on the back of it, it has this bright yellow patch that says the Marc Jacobs style tote bag, location NYC, year 1984. And this here is not on the Teddy Totes, it's only on the canvas totes. And then you also have the the tote bag Marc Jacobs. You also have your zipper, and I like the yellow color because as you can see, this black is like popping, like the black is just popping out, and I love this black and yellow. It's just really, really pretty. The inside is different than the Teddy Tote because here you get a patch pocket, then you also get like smaller pockets, like little pockets that you could put other things inside of it. To be careful because I don't want to put makeup on it, or if I got it too close to my face. In that pocket you get your Marc Jacobs card that tells you how to care for these hair bags. You also get your black strap. Like I said, all the Teddy Totes, not Teddy Totes, all the totes come with your traditional black strap. Like, you will not get like a printed strap or anything like that, but if you do ever want to upgrade to one of those straps, you will have to pay, and they are not cheap. Find out that the outlets off of 400 in Georgia, they have a Marc Jacobs outlet store, and I didn't know that, and I was browsing through the store, so some straps, but like I said, I really wasn't worried about purchasing any right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna check your local outlets because she said it's a pop-up store. A pop-up store. She wasn't sure if they're going to be there, like, you know, actual store, but for now it's a pop-up store. So again, you may want to check your local outlets because you may, you know, you may can get some good deals at the Marc Jacob outlet, but you will not find the totes. Just letting you know. Is the bag. And yo, I cannot wait to wear this bag. Now this here light color, it is going to drive me crazy because I'm not going to get into too much, but the Teddy Tote, I did have issues with color transfer, and I will again share that on my channel. I just feel like I don't want to go into too much, but y'all, I'm upset about that. Like, I'm really upset of the Teddy Tote. I love the tote line by Marc Jacobs, but I'm not loving that whole color transfer thing. You know, with this bag being a light color, I am going to have to worry about that, but I figure in the summertime when I wear like summer dresses and I don't know, capri pants, like light jeans, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I don't have to worry about color transfer too much. That's the only bummer. Like, I didn't know that these hair bags, you know, experience color transfer. Like, I don't want something that I have to worry about watching. And I'm like, y'all can't protect these bags a lot better than what y'all do, because clearly they not cheap bags. And who wants to walk around with the back side of your bag dark because of your jeans, your pants, your sweatpants, your clothes, or anything like that? Fingers crossed. I'm just hoping that the summertime I don't have to worry about that. That's why I did get this here yellow tote. So I will not wear this with sweatpants. These here black tights, like, I will not wear this with that because I don't want it to, I don't know, I just don't want it to look crazy, because that Teddy Tote looked it. Child, that Teddy Tote looked like I had it for years, and you know that Teddy Tote was not cheap. In the inside, you have the Marc Jacob writing on the inside of the black piping. Yeah, y'all know how I do my unboxings. Today will be the unboxing, and within a week or two I will share what fits in the bag, how it looks on my body. I do have a canvas tote. I do have another canvas tote in the, I think it's the green slate. I will try and insert that video just in case you want to check that out, but I'm gonna still do a what fits in this particular bag because it's a different color. So, you know, things just look different with colors and things like that. You know, are subscribed so you do not miss out on the review of this hair bag. I'm trying to think of what else. And all the canvas totes, like I mentioned before, they do not come with feet, but the way they are made, once you put your stuff inside the bag, it holds its shape So like you can sit this here on the countertop and it will not slouch or anything like that, just in case you are that person that don't like slouchy bags. Me, I don't mind slouchy bags, but some people I guess don't like slouchy bags. So yeah, mentioned in the inside you have a black tab that say, a black patch that says the Marc Jacobs. And then also, y'all, I saw on the actual Marc Jacob website you can buy patches. So I was thinking of purchasing some patches for my canvas totes. I'm not sure. I don't think you can use them on the teddy totes, but you can use them on the canvas. Also find out how to apply them. Like if it's really hard to apply, I'm gonna just, you know, don't worry about it. But if y'all have any of the patches that go along with the totes, let me know, you know, which one y'all got and how, you know, how y'all liking the patches, because you know that's another way to customize your you know, your Marc Jacob totes. If I do get one, I may get like one or two and just place it here on the back side or maybe on the front. I'll go on the website and look to see how to apply. And then I also want to know, if you apply them and decide to want to take them off, you know, will it damage the bag? Because you know, sometimes you can put stuff on your bag and then within months and years later you're like, okay, I'm not feeling that lip or that piece finger or whatever the case is. So I'm gonna double check and do my homework before I share with you all if I purchase those patches, because I feel like the slate green I ended up keeping, and this one I believe I'm gonna end up keeping. So these are the two bags that I am going to try and customize or whatever. And like I said, I did get, how did I get 15% off? I don't know. I think, you know what, they sent me like a one-time 15% off code, and when I was able to use it, I said, oh, I'm getting it. So instead of paying $180 or something, I think I paid $150. Yeah, I paid $157.68. So yeah, with the discount it came to $148.75. Before taxes it came to $148.75, and with taxes it came to $157.68. So yeah, I saved a few coins. Your bag retails for $175, and like I said, with the purchase of this bag I accumulated a $25 gift card. I did see a Longchamp small tote and I saw a backpack, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that $25 tote as of, rewards as of yet. And then also I have something coming in the mail and I'm so excited. I can't wait to share with you all. So yeah, y'all, got some surprises coming. So yeah, that's everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. But again, y'all, this here is the Marc Jacobs cream tote. I will double check the color because I thought it was yellow, but cream may be the color. It just may be me that thought I saw yellow. Like, I had these black tights on. I am scared to hold this thing up to my body. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. If you like my Marc Jacobs tote videos, please give this video a big thumbs up. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.